This is a brief description on Australia's fauna and flora. The video will go for about a minute. Please make notes in your books as we go along. The first point to note is that Australia's isolation since the breakup of the Gondwanan supercontinent, which was about 50 million years ago, has led to it having a lot of unique fauna and flora. Australia has an amazing amount of fascinating mammals. We have 379 different mammal species to be exact. And it's also the only continent to still have all three major types of mammals. These three major types of mammals are firstly the monotremes, which are egg-laying mammals. Secondly, the marsupials, which are pouch mammals. And thirdly, the placentals. The most noticeable and dominant group are the marsupials, which are kangaroos, koalas, possums, and wombats. But no discussion on our mammals can ignore the bizarre monotremes, which are the egg-laying mammals, and these are the platypus and the short-beaked echidna. Australia is also home to a wealth of plant species. We have 20,000 vascular species, 12,000 non-vascular species. We have a staggering 250,000 species of fungi, and we have 3,000 species of lichen. Of interest is that most of the modern Australian plant species have their origins in the Gondwanan period, where Australia was covered in lush subtropical rainforest. And still, a lot of these plant species show their origins from the Gondwanan period. The fossil records show that some living Australian species show little change from their Gondwanan ancestors and are often termed living fossils.